How we download Minecraft for free on PC. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if it is possible or not. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So what you can do is head over and open up a browser and directly search for Minecraft. And once you search for it, you will be finding the official site. Head over to the official site on your PC. Now once you are here, you can see this section where you can download the Minecraft or get Minecraft. Let's head over to get Minecraft for this one. And once you are here, you can see the edition. So you can choose the edition that you would like to purchase. So if you're looking for the free version, unfortunately we do not have the free version yet. We need to pay certain amounts to check out and access the game. Minecraft is not legally free to download in full. It is a paid game. But what we can do is we can use the free trial instead. So you can head over and search for Minecraft free trial. And once you hit enter, you will be finding the Minecraft free trial website. You can look out for that free trial and sign in, or go ahead and sign in, download, and try Minecraft free. Launch the free trial on your device and go ahead and access it. You can look out for the download version for them. And once you install it, you can go ahead and get the similar experience for Minecraft, although not maybe similar to the paid one, but you can have certain days free trial similar to it. So this is how you do it. You may follow up this process if you'd like to do so. Although we do not have a free game for Minecraft, we do have free trial for it, so you can try it out and let us know in the comment if it works. So that is for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.